18 rescued Chibok schoolgirls have graduated from a vocational skill program organized by the Federal Ministry of Women Affairs at Modibo Adama University, Yola. The beneficiaries were trained in tailoring and catering and also have received starter packs alongside 1 million naira each to establish their businesses.
And I am very happy for this that they will give us. I feel happy business, and I want to save myself, and I want to stand with my own.
Minister of Women Affairs Iman Suleiman Ibrahim urged the graduates to make productive use of the support, describing the program as a part of the federal government's commitment to the rehabilitation and empowerment of the rescued Chibok girls. She disclosed that 33 more rescued girls will soon begin vocational training, while 21 others studying at the American University of Nigeria are expected to graduate in 2027.
Of hope, the story of resilience, a success story. The children that were taken away from school today have become graduates.
The minister also said 12 rescued Chibok girls were recently graduated from the university and has also received 1 million naira each to start up their businesses, while 221 parents were supported with 200,000 naira each. Chairman of the Chibok Girls Parents Association, Yakubu Ankalei, commended the federal government for extending support to both the rescued girls and their families.
A people whom have nobody to stand behind us. But coming to the very time we were able to realize that we have a father, we have a mother in the federal government.
The intervention is expected to strengthen the beneficiaries' economic independence and support their long-term reintegration into the society. From Yola, Ojoma-Yusuf reporting for Nexus Channels.